Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. This is bitter kola fruit. So a super benefit of this bitter kola is that it helps it helps in wound healing. So if you know you don't like bitter kola, you have to start consuming this. I know a lot of you will want to go to the market and pick a bag of bitter kola just because I made a video of bitter kola today. This fruit here is super amazing. This is bitter kola, also known as Garcinia kola. Bitter kola is a very powerful ingredient that can help speed up your metabolism. Oh, I just mistakenly. This is it. This is what it looks like. You remove the seed. This is the seed. I know a lot of you don't know how we get this seed. You have been eating bitter kola, but you don't know how and where they got it from. So that's why I decided to make this video so you know what it looks like. This is it. So if you notice, sometimes if you're buying this bitter kola from the market, you will notice the seed is always brownish in color. Some of it is always black, but I know a whole lot of bitter kola seed is always brownish in color. Before it will turn to brown color, you have to wash it. After washing it, you can see, after washing it, they will sun dry it. You dry it for some days. It helps to increase blood circulation, thereby reducing risks of disease. It can help treat migraine headache. It's going to improve the elasticity of your skin too. It will help you to suppress appetite. This can also help you treat migraine. It helps to flush away toxins from your body. It will help you to suppress appetite too. So if you never like this, consider eating it. Regular intake of the same bitter kola nut is going to help you a whole lot in fighting infection, and it's going to make you feel more better. So it will help combat cough as well. It can help your brain to function very well. This bitter kola nut is also a natural immune booster. So you have to be taking it always. Don't say it's for old women, it's for old men. Because those old women you see eating this thing, they know the benefits. It's only we, the young people, that don't really know the benefits of bitter kola. So try and go to an African shop, visit the markets, anywhere you will see bitter kola. It's very, very affordable. Just buy it. If you want to eat it, you can eat it raw after peeling it, and you can as well blend it. Add a little water into it, then blend it. Pour it inside a glass and drink it. And before I forget, in case you take any poisonous substance, this same bitter kola is anti-poisonous, meaning that it assists in preventing bacterial infection that can be caused by food poisoning. So you can use it to save a soul. Just bitter kola here, right here. Make sure you drink it like this. Before, if you want to strain it, you can strain it, but drinking it like this without straining it is the best. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video.